Hello, are you a lazy bastard? Raise your hand. Do you want a beautiful, perfect dessert for all your friends? Do you want it quick, made in only 10 minutes? I give you the tiramisu, everything you need to know in only 10 minutes. Make it, or I will come and kill you. And for those who want to take it to the next level, I will make the recipe step by step from scratch for you coming on the channel. Okay, so if you're lazy like me, you use this all-in-one cream to make the tiramisu very nice, very quickly. From Elle and Vire, this is top quality. You just have to cut it, put it in a nice bowl, big bowl. Look at this, very nice. And we whip it and it's ready. Oh putain, look at this. It's magic. Look at this cream. Oh mon dieu. It's very nice. If you want it a little bit, harder, you whip it 1 more minute and this is it, the best. If you want to make tiramisu in a quick way, okay, but you want really good coffee, just use the French press, put the coffee inside, pour the hot water, press, and that's it. Only the best coffee from Cafe TK, from my friend Eddie. Thank you, Eddie. Oh putain, this is therapy. With, all this steam from the good coffee is like going to spa, coffee spa. This is a good idea for business. To make a coffee spa, you go, you chill, you drink a little coffee, it's only steam from the coffee, it smells different in every room. This could be
I hate
nice.
this so much, it's incredible. It's one of the worst ideas I've ever seen. I'm out.
So, we have the cream, all in one. We have the ladyfingers, the Savoyard beers. You may know it. A big bowl, because everything is big today. A lot of coffee, French press made coffee, and some very good cocoa. Let's start. So first, we take some beautiful cream, we put it on the bottom. You just need a big spoon like this. Nothing fancy, no expensive equipment. Just put it like this, a little bit more. Don't be cheap. Okay, you're lazy, but you're not cheap. Now, very important, a little bit of cocoa. Bon, the ladyfingers. Soak in a very good coffee. It's very important to let them, soak as much as they want, because otherwise they will be very hard. You just put it now, like 1 and 1. Cut it like this. Break it with your finger. More cream. And of course, more cocoa powder. And again, the ladyfingers. Look at this, it's so big. That's what she said. Okay, if you want to make a little, design, you can take like this. After we put the cocoa inside, it will look nice. After you go to fast food, you fill your belly with, I don't know, whatever you want. You eat something like this and you're set for life. 10,000 calories later. Okay, enough with the small talk. I'm not your mother, okay? I'm not interested in your trauma, in your emotions. I have something to deal with it. Oh mon dieu, look at the ladyfingers here. Oh, putain. You like it? Good. It's not too sweet. It's nice. So, is it quick? Yes, it is quick. Is it easy to make? Yes, it's easy to make. Is it good? Of course, it's quick and easy. I'm just kidding. If you want the next level version, stay on this channel. I will put the next recipe with steps, easy to make, all from scratch. Goodbye, horses! Oh. Let me tell you something, too much coffee is not good for you.